Hi, morning, everybody. Well, I have some clippings that I'm gonna share with you this morning that happened last night. So, here we go. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Honeika. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe before you leave. If you're already a family of this channel, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome back. Thank you for your continued support. So, what's her name? Elsa passed here last night. I don't know if we're going to get any more rain or thunder or lightning or anything of that sort, but outside is still dark. It is now about 9:30 a.m. and outside is still pretty dark, as if it's almost night or before morning, before the sun comes out. So it was like this all day yesterday, just probably a little peak of sun, like maybe in the 3 o'clock like that. But then it's been like this. But yesterday it was windy and cool and the trees were dancing, but now the trees look very tired outside. So take a look. I'll be showing you all the clippings, okay? Hey guys, it is 2:30 a.m. on Monday, the 5th of July, and I just heard an explosion outside. So here it's thunder. We've been seeing some lightning. So I guess Elsa is passing. No, but I'm inside. I'm not even going into the window. I'm not even going to look at the window, because trust me, that was like, listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but the one I heard before was like one of those in the movies when you see they drop those big nuclear bomb and it just, that's how it sounded. Oh God. Guys, I'm gonna try going back to sleep and I'll keep you up to date. Alright? Later. Guys, there was another big one. Man, that was loud and heavy. Very loud and heavy. I don't know. I'm not even sure if it's raining outside. Hear that? Try to go back to sleep, and then the tea is going through me, so that's how I woke up. Went to the bathroom. I don't know. I'll let you guys know what's happening in the morning. Well, if I don't go back to sleep, I'll be back on. Alright guys. Man, right now I can say any country or anybody who was affected by Elsa's passing, I pray that everything will work out and everything will be alright with you. I heard that some places got flooding, but I don't know. Hurricane in the summer. Because by the time it gets to us, it had downgraded back to a tropical storm, I think. Because it had upgraded to a hurricane before it got to Jamaica, but I believe if I remember correctly. I believe it was downgraded to a tropical storm. Yeah, and even so, it's still gonna have a lot of rain and wind. And where I'm at is very close to the sea. I am on the 3rd floor, so everything's gonna be all right. I'm not even worried, but the persons that are affected, I pray that everything will be up and running for you pretty soon, and that you lose no family members, because it's hard to lose family member, especially now. Pandemic, tropical storm. Oh wow. I'm just listening if there's any more thunder coming. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Keep in touch. Heard that? I've been in and out of sleep. In and out. It sounds like it's raining outside. I'm not so clear about that, because it's as if everything is closed in, so you can't really hear outside clearly. But it sounds like it's raining to me. Yeah, it's raining. Definitely raining. Thunder. So I'll check in with you guys in the morning, okay? Guys, you hear that? That has been going on like that for a while. Guys, yep, it's really heavy outside right now. Trying to sleep, every time a big one comes up. Yeah. Hey. Morning. Now out here is kind of still wet, soak outside. The pool now looks like it needs cleaning. That little pond there didn't have so much water yesterday, but look at it now. There were a lot of thunder. Last night the sky is still dark, but it's not really messy. It's because the guys cleaned up the place the other day, trimmed the coconut trees and all that. But it is dark out here. Very dark. So guys, it is officially Monday morning. And as you can see behind me, it's cool out here. The coconut trees are not really busy. They look tired right now. Look at that. The pool looks dirty. Yes, the sky is dark. There was a lot of thunder last night and rain. A lot of thunder and rain last night. So I guess Elsa has already passed and we are safe. Thank God for that. So guys, I would say this is the calm after the storm. Yes, so it's Monday morning, the 5th of July. And Elsa has passed. I think we probably get some more rain. But I don't know if this is it. Because yesterday it was dark like this, but the trees were dancing and everything, you know. Trees were happy. But I guess they got a lot of too much wind last night, so they're not so happy this morning. That some of the trees, the leaves and the branches start sagging. So yeah, but it's cool out here. Still cool, but I'm thanking God that it wasn't anything more than this and everybody is okay. So Elsa has passed. So I'm gonna call over to Little Cayman to find out what's happening over there and keep you guys up to date. All right, stay tuned. See you later. All right, guys, I hope you did enjoy. Those are the clippings, and I thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. All right, so you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, click on my TLC link, and you will see how to join my team. All right, guys, so you stay safe, stay blessed, stay safe, stay blessed, and God bless. Alrighty, bye.